Hello everyone, this is Sriram Balaji. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use references in Copilot Studio skills. Here's a brief look at my socials, LinkedIn, YouTube, and my website. If you like this video, consider hitting the like button, and if you'd like to subscribe, click the bell icon. So just want to recap, what are skills? Skills are an open format for extending AI agent capabilities. So typically a skill is a directory containing a skill.md file at a minimum, and you can have optional directories like scripts, references, and assets. In this video, we'll walk about references. So what are references? References contain additional documentation that an agent can use when needed. So this is still progressive disclosure. So whenever it is needed, only then it will use. It will not load the whole documentation in the context. Let me walk through a quick demo of this. So I created an agent called HR agent. This agent answers leave policy questions and travel policy questions using skill references. So let me start with earn leaves. Let me ask a question. How many earn leaves per year? So this is going to refer the leave policy. As you can see, I just loaded the skill called HR policy references. So it comes back and says 18 earn leaves per year. So if I just go here, so this skill is loaded when a user asks any policy questions and travel policy questions, both the leave policy as well as travel policy. So let me go for travel questions. Let's give it a second. So you can see it has actually loaded the skill, and it also has referenced the travel policy file. I'll go through it in a second, and also ask one more question about non-reimbursable expenses. So what are expenses that will not be reimbursed? So this is again going to invoke the skill HR policy references, and there it's going to reference the travel policy document. I'll go through that in a second. Let me walk through how I built this. So, if you are familiar with the directory structure for a skill, this is the skill name is HR policy references. So you can see a references folder. This is an option folder, and you also have the skill.md. So in the references folder, we have two references: one for leave policy .md, a markdown file, and a travel policy.md. Let me go over each file one by one. Let's start with the skill.md. So the name of the skill is HR policy references. I'm saying description, use the skill when the user asks the leave policy questions and travel policy questions. These are step-by-step instructions. When the skill is loaded, search references slash leave policy.md to provide answers to leave questions, and search references slash travel policy.md to provide answers to travel policy questions. If you don't find an answer, say I cannot help with that. So here, as you can see, the agent, it will only load the leave policy .md file when the user asks the leave question. So that is not loaded to the context unless the user asks the leave question. This is a progressive disclosure. So the same thing regarding the travel policy.md. In case the user asks for answers to travel policy questions, it will load the travel policy.md to the context. So let's go to the individual policy files. This is the leave policy.md, which is the sample. It has all types of leave, and what is the leave application process, the leave encashment, and all, so on and so forth. The next is the travel policy.markdown. Here, the purpose of policy scope, booking guidelines, domestic travel entitlements, and what is the non-reimbursable expenses and expense reimbursement, and so on and so forth. That comes in a typical travel policy. Let me switch back to Copilot Studio. Here, what I've done, I just went ahead and say add skill, upload a skill, and pointed to the zip file for the skill. So once I did that, I got this HR policy references skills. As you can see, these three files. One is the skill.md. It has step-by-step instructions, and you have the leave policy.md, which is the references, as well as the travel policy.md. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.